Hi guys, welcome to Teja Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach sub-languages of SQL. I am going to increase the font size. Okay, sub-languages of SQL. Okay, we know already what is the SQL. Okay, SQL is standard database language which is used to create, maintain and retrieve the relational database. Okay, the basic use of SQL for data professional and SQL users is to insert, update, and delete the data from the relational database. Already we know what is a relational database. It is a combination of rows and columns. Okay, the data is in the form of table. Okay, today I am going to teach you what sublanguages of SQL, what that are there in the SQL. Okay, first of all, what DDL is one of the sublanguages. Next, DQL is one of the sublanguage, and DCL, DML and DML is one of the sublanguage, and the fourth one TCL is one of the sublanguage, and TCL is one of these. TSL is one of the sublanguages of SQL. First of all, we will discuss what is DDL. Okay, what is DDL? What is definition of DDL? Data definition language. Data data definition language. What is DDL? Data definition language. Data definition. In okay, DDL command is used used to define the database. Define the database schema. Define the database schema. In DDL sublanguage, we have a commands. Create command, next to drop command, next to alter command, next to truncate command, next to rename command. First of all, we will discuss what is create command. Create. What is the use of create command? Create command is used to create the database objects. Create command is used to create the database objects. Okay, database objects means table. Create the table views next to professors. Okay, creating table. Create command is used to create the table. Creating purpose we can use the create command. Okay, next one drop command. What is the use of drop command? Yeah, this command is used to delete objects from the database. Okay, using drop command we can delete the entire table. Entire We can drop the entire table from the database, not only records. Entire table, what is the table is there, we can delete. We can drop complete table from the database using of this command. Used to delete. Just from the database. Okay, next what is the command? Alter command. Using alter command, alter the structure of the database. Alter means modify. Okay, using alter command, you can modify the table in database. Use it to alter structure of alter the structure of the database. Okay, we can alter the structure of the table. Next, to truncate command. What is the use of truncate? Truncate. The truncate command is used to remove all records from a table. Okay, using truncate command, we can remove complete records from the table by using truncate command. There are three commands. These three commands are very important. We can using drop command. It will go complete data from the table, entire table. Okay, using truncate command, we can delete the records from the table. Using delete command, we can delete you can delete where using where condition. Okay, truncate used to remove all records from table. Next to command, what is the next command? Next to rename command. Using rename command, to rename an object existing in the database. Okay, use it to rename. Use it to rename an object existing in the database. Okay, by using rename command, we can rename the existing object in the database. Okay, next to sublanguage is DQL. The sublanguage DQL. What is the definition of DQL? Data query language. Data query data query language. Data query language. In DQL, we have one command, that is select command. Select. Select means we can select what you want. What we want. Okay, select command, it is used to retrieve data from the database. Used to retrieve data from the database. By using select command, we can select what we want from the table, like employee salary, employee department, employee date of join. By using where command. Okay, by using the where command, we can select. Okay, next command is next sublanguage is DCL. What is form of DCL? Data control language. Data control language. Okay, in DCL sublanguage, we have a three commands: insert command, update command, just delete command. First, I will tell you what is insert. Insert command is used to insert data into a table. Used to insert data into a table. By using insert command, we can insert the data into a table. Okay, next command is update. What is the use of update command? Update command is used to update existing data within a table. Okay, right? Use it to update. Use it to update existing data within a table. Within a table. Okay, next what is the command is in DCL? Delete command. Use it to delete command is used to delete records from database table using where class. So to delete records from a database table. What is the use of delete command? Use it to delete records from a database table by using where class. Using where class. Next, what is sub language is in SQL. Next to sub language is DCL. DCL. What is the definition of DCL? A data control language. Data control. Data control language. Okay. In DCL we have two commands. Grant command. What is the use of grant command? This command gives users access privileges to the database. Grant means privileges, permissions. Okay, use it to gives users access privileges to the database. Using grant command, we can give the permissions to the users. Okay, next revoke. What is the use of revoke command? Okay, this command withdraw the user's access privileges what we given by using the grant command. Okay, use it to withdraw. Use it to withdraw the user's access privileges given by using the grant command. Okay. Using revoke command, you can withdraw the user's access privilege. Privilege is permissions. You can withdraw the permission using the revoke command. Okay, next, what is sublanguage in SQL? Fifth one, TCL. TCL. What is the abbreviation of TCL? Transaction Control Language. Transaction Control Language. Transaction Control Language. What is the use of transaction control language? In TCL, we have two commands, commit and rollback. Okay, we'll see what is commit and what is rollback. It is the commit command used to save the data permanently. Using commit command, we can save the data permanently. It's used to save the data permanently. To data, save the data permanently. What is the next command? Rollback. Rollback. Used to what is the use of rollback? Rollback command is used to restore the records. Okay, to the use of used to restore the records. These all are sub-languages of SQL. Okay, TTL, DQL, DML, DCL, TCL. Okay, if you know these five sub-languages, you know the 50% of SQL. Okay, see, all are more important sub-languages. This and all, you must learn this sub-languages. You must learn this sub-language. What is DTL, DQL, DML, DCL, TCL. Okay, next class we will discuss what is operator and what is data type. We can discuss in next class. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share to my channel.